Now, using invitational golf tournaments is an avenue to drive sports tourism in Jamaica, according to major players in the industry. As we'll hear in this report, the use of the country's simple resources can contribute to the local economy.
Recently, 90 golfers from Latin American countries took part in the 8th staging of the Latin American Travel Advisors Tournament at the Sandals Golf and Country Course in St. Mary. The Uruguayan team toppled the rivals from the likes of Mexico, Brazil, Argentina and Chile to capture the title. The South Americans entered the second day with a score of 35 over 9 holes before carding 33 on the final day to end the final day on 3 under par.
It's tremendous. Okay, we enjoy it a lot. We play well, and we try to do our best to make the win. But we enjoy the competition with the other people from Latin America.
However, in the midst of the celebrations and success of the golfers, the sport has been identified as a vehicle to foster another part of economic generation, and that is with sports tourism.
Jamaica, the past couple of years, they've taken golf to a whole new level. And so a big part of that is actually Latin America. So there's a lot of travel advisors here from Latin America that send golf groups down to Jamaica. A lot of their clients come down here and they play golf. They play golf in Ocho Rios. They play golf all over the island.
So we're doing our best to get people here to Jamaica. Latin America people love Jamaica. We have a lot of golfers, and Sandals Ocho Beach Resort and Golf Course has a very nice golf course to play.
And not just the organizers see the value of intertwining sports and tourism, which raked in US $6.7 billion since the reopening of the borders.
The first night are amazing. The beautiful side view and the greens are very smaller and rapid. Everything was okay. And the back nine are more easy, but nevertheless they had some difficulty. I thought with a little arrangement you can do a majors.
Andrea Lima from Chile was the women's winner, while the Honduran team was adjudged the best dressed team. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.